So guys, we got a strobe light, and it's on auto mode, of course. It's very bright. See, it's like lighting up the lights surrounding my hand and stuff. It's very bright, actually. Good thing we have it, because after this clip, you're about to see. Well, good thing we're getting it now, not later. After the rain cleared, we started seeing the outflow of the storm, and it produced high winds, so it started kicking up dust, and we got into some of the most intense dust we've ever seen storm chasing.
Whoa, look at this thing coming in.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Can't see me.
Oh, we're whited out. Come on. Anemometer, guess what our wind speeds are?
Shit.
Nothing. There's zero winds right now. We're going to inside of it. Right here.
We're going inside something, but can't see.
The wind's going up. Look at it. Where's something live? We're live right now. Jesus, it's dusty.
Can't see.
We're blinded. Oh, we gotta turn us off that. We're blinded. Look at it. Look how fast the winds are going.
Oh shit, I'm on the road. Literally.
Okay. 45.
I gotta worry about getting hit. Oh shit. I got a truck almost hit me in the back.
Car almost hit us. Hold up.
I can't even tell where I'm going.
You're still on the road. You're good. I can see the light line.
Yeah, but we're on the road.
Oh, you're good. You're on the right side of the road.
I got this truck right fucking behind me.
Holy
And,
crap.
I'll try to pull off.
Oh, there's a truck right there that
Yeah.
pull off. We're good.
Well,
Look how fast the winds are going.
There's a truck right in front of me.
Gee, you can't see that. You just could not see that.
No.
Uh-oh, well, I'm scared now. I'm really getting scared now. We're gonna
I'm
get
not
hit.
scared, but holy crap.
Look how fast the winds are going.
Luckily, the dust started to clear, and we were able to drive out there without being rear-ended by another vehicle. You can see that vehicle right there. And for all you other chasers out there, you should get some sort of strobe lights on the back whenever you're in a situation. Make sure you check the legality of it in your state for you. But I'm a small YouTuber, so please, if you like videos more like this, please like and subscribe for me. I am small and I want to do this my full-time job. Bye. Luckily, the rain started to clear.